presides over the people of Hawaii. His helmet, cape, and sash are all made from plumages of rare native birds found all along Hawaii.
Smile knocks me off my feet.
Thank you. And you can always
Hanging with my crew.
look at me.
Across the way. She was noticing me too. There's something inside. Told me to make my way.
Sorry guys. It's a big group. We're about to
This pig is for you to try for yourself. How does that sound? Of course, it is our person's spirit's home that we have a great time here. There once was a legend of a young maid who is listened to our greatness, making some perfection. And it comes with little purple bowls as well. Her father's rank as high chief. She was not allowed to marry, let alone fall in love. But most of all, spiritually, asking the gods that
The one I've been searching for. The one I've been searching for. So let's hope that God will make. God will make you mine till the end of time.
Hey guys, so we are just having the best time here at the Polynesian Cultural Center, and we're just taking pictures, and the luau was amazing, and we've just been visiting every single country, and it's been so much fun. We just arrived at the Disney's, how do you say it? Aulani? I think it's Aulani Resort, and so I'm excited is an understatement. And we're just gonna have the best time. I hope that we meet Moana.
Been searching for one I adore, whose eyes made me realize. So make my dream come true, and I will fall in love with you. Thinking of that day we'll be together, love will last forever. I just can't describe how I
That stingray is so cool.
for her.
Have a lazy river. It's Stitch.
Tell me, could she be the one?
I cannot believe this. We could go kayaking. I got one. Thank you. Amazing. This boat in the ocean is Moana's boat. Okay, it's really hard to see. Oh, it's Moana's boat. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Guys, look at my lobster roll. Wait, I'm freaking out. This is my table and I'm like, that's
You said you are from Nashville. Yeah. So what part of the culture are you trying to absorb? Oh, check this out. You guys will freak out with this.
Oh, that's cool.
Amazing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I slept in it. So who's the biggest Disney fan here?
Tell me, could she be the
Check out
one?
the master bedroom.
The one that I've been searching for.
You give up?
I've been searching for.
To see with the waterfall into the lazy river to the main pool going on. And it shows where people would grab resources from different areas, right? It could be stone, it could be wood, it could be something else, but they're hidden across the property.
It's like Moana's boat. Hey guys, so I'm here with Tate. We're just tanning. Well, I'm not really. And we're just like having a blast. But we couldn't meet the characters because you have to stay here and it's $650. So that sucks. Yep. But you know what? We're just having a great time. And I got to have a hotel tour. So that was fun. And then we went to the gift shop and I got a pin. And all my friends are tanning over there, but they're in the pool. Other people are right there. And it's so beautiful. That's the hotel.
Tell me, could she be the one? Ooh, the one I've been searching for.